Hi, I'm Courtney.
And hi, I'm Kevin.
Welcome to our house, and we'd like you to meet our children.
Courtney and Kevin do not have your average modern family.
Their 16 pets have challenges that they both handle easily.
To care for all of their brood, they begin their day at 4 o'clock.
A typical day in the life of our household, Kevin usually gets up about 4 o'clock in the morning even without an alarm clock.
There's lots to do,
Like clean up poo
and taking some dogs for a walk.
They're gone by 6,
But back by 4.
clean and care for all the flock.
Yeah, I usually get home around 4:30, and then I'll start with the top, get everything cleaned up, feed the cats, and then give these guys their medicine, because some of their medicine they have to take an hour before meals. So then I'll go down to the basement. We have 5 down there, or no, actually 7 during the day. I'll clean up after them, and then I'll go out and play with them in the yard till the hour's up, and then I'll feed the kids in the basement, and then I'll come up and feed the kids upstairs.
The fact that Courtney works 4 jobs to pay the bills is not a shock.
Depending on what season it is, I work multiple side jobs to help pay for the bills, so I could get home anywhere from 4:30 till 10 o'clock at night.
As part of this extended pack, the animals have lots of fun.
You must agree that when it comes to pet owners, they are great ones. You must agree that when it comes to pet owners, they are great ones. You must agree that when it comes to pet owners, they are great ones. You must agree that when it comes to pet owners, they really are great ones.
Meet Annabelle.
And this is Annabelle. She was left on the street out here about 7 years ago. We found her down there. She was about 3 pounds when we found her, and so she has walked in this house and hasn't left yet. Has been here ever since.
Tip.
The puppy in my lap is Mr. Tip.
Mia.
This is Mia, which stands for Miracle in Action. We got her, she was 1.5 years. She had been dropped off at a shelter in Ohio in the middle of the night with her leg amputated above the elbow and her pelvis fractured in 4 places.
Lisa!
Lexi.
They were left outside. Their owner foreclosed on their house and left them outside in 6-degree weather, and they were 5 weeks old.
Jasmine.
Sister Jasmine, they were born in Arkansas.
Dink.
This is Eli. His mom was in a Chihuahua puppy mill in Missouri, and he was born into rescue, and he's 3.5 years old.
Millie.
This is Millie. This is Cracker's sister.
Marty.
This is Marty. He's 13 years old.
Mabel.
Saber.
This is Sabre. She's a blue tick coonhound. The only dog in the house that will not give you a kiss, but she'll paw you and love you to death.
Caleb!
This is Caleb. He is a cattle dog, and they think lab mix. Some people think he has pit bull in him.
Cracker.
This is Cracker. He actually started it all. He is 13 years old. I was told to put him down at 4 months old. He had an hourglass compression in his spine. He has not had any use of his back legs since he was 4 years old.
Hannah.
Yeah, this is Hannah. We call her Pooh Bear.
And Tabby.
This is Tabitha. She's 11 years old. We got her 7 years ago. She was also a bridesmaid in our wedding.
When taken all together, it is very plain for all to see.
Courtney and Kevin do not have your average modern family.
When taken all together, it is very plain for all to see. Courtney and Kevin do not have your average modern family.
You'd think that caring for their clan would mean that their free time is short.
But they find time each weekend to help rescue groups as they transport.
Miss Jasmine is a therapy dog who weekly visits nursing homes.
The residents can shake her paw and sometimes give her coat a comb.
Plus 2 or 3 times every month, Miss Jasmine goes to libraries.
Jasmine is a certified therapy dog, and she's a member of Wags for Hope. She goes to a nursing home here in Boonesboro every Sunday, and she goes to the cerebral palsy daycare program and visits with the residents there. She's also a read dog, a reading education assistance dog, and she goes to schools I mean, she goes to libraries around the area probably 2 to 3 times a month.
Where she assists the children as they sit with her and learn to read.
They help out many dogs in need. They share their home. They foster tongues.
You must agree that when it comes to pet owners, they are great ones.
You must agree that when it comes to pet owners, they are great ones. You must agree that when it comes to pet owners, they are great ones. You must agree that when it comes to pet owners, they really are great ones.
So please take heed of all the good things done by Courtney and Kevin.
They would make such good investment with every cent that they would win.
We hope you see it our way as the final voting is begun.
And you'll agree that when it comes to pet owners, they are great ones.
We hope you see it our way as the final voting is begun. You must agree that when it comes to pet owners, they are great ones.